Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a new Instagram update that allows you to see when you received a like on your chat messages while using Instagram on your PC. This feature enhances your messaging experience, making it easier to keep track of interactions. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Simply type in the URL and log into your account if you haven't already. The desktop version of Instagram has been updated, and it's more user-friendly than ever. Next, look for the messages icon located on the left menu. It resembles a paper airplane and is where all your direct messages are stored. Click on this icon to access your conversations. Once you're in the messages section, find and open the chat that contains the like you want to check. This will bring up the conversation on the right side of your screen. Here, you can see all messages exchanged with that user. Now, here comes the crucial part. Look for the received like in the chat. It will typically appear as a small heart icon next to the message. To get more details about when this like was sent, click on the three dots next to it. This action will open a drop-down menu. Finally, in this drop-down menu, you will see the time when you received that like. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep track of when someone engaged with your message or simply want to revisit those moments. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily see when you received likes on your Instagram chats while using a PC. This new update makes it easier to stay connected and aware of interactions in your conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates about Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy chatting!